our winner. Let's then introduce the participants for this week's game show. We have Mitul Shah, who's the research head of Affluent Shares and Stocks, Ashish Kapoor, who's the CEO Invest Shop India, as well as Mandar Jamchandekar, who's the director at Precision Technical Analysis. Gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the stock game and wish you all a very happy Diwali. Let's kickstart the game then by discussing Mitul Shah's portfolio up first. And Mitul, you've decided to go short on Bank of India and long on HCL Infosystems. Tell us about your rationale on both these stocks.
First of all, I would like to say whole team of ET Now very happy Diwali, and to all the viewers also a very happy Diwali. Today's all the recommendation would be on the basis of the long term, and that's the least I can do in case of Diwali. Now, first recommendation is I'm going short on Bank India. For the show, my target is 131 with a stop loss of 134, but if you see the rationale behind it, it has come down from 190 to 130. It has gone up again to 150. It has come down 130 again. So it has made a lower bottom. 126 is a very crucial level. If that broke, and if it closed below that, we can see easily double digit into the Bank India. My second recommendation is HCL Infosystem. It's another Diwali pick. It's a long way to go. If you see, for the show, my target is 57 and the stop loss is 54. But for the medium term, one can easily expect 72 on the long, 65 on the long side, and for the next Diwali you can expect at least 90 with the same stop loss of 50 rupees. And for the show, my target is 57 and the stop loss is 54. It's a very good uptrending script, and that's the rationale behind giving it.
Okay, there you have it. That's the call coming in on the first two stocks, and a word on how Mitul is bullish on HCL Infosystems but has a sell recommendation of Bank of India. But in the meantime,
Great to have you back with us on BNSN The Stock Game, where we are discussing our experts' portfolio there. Let's continue discussing Mitul Shah's portfolio then, and we've already discussed the first two ideas. Mitul would like to know your rationale behind going long on Welspun Industries as well as Aster. Tell us, what is it that you like about both these stocks?
Welspun India is a very good script. It's a very good uptrending script. Before 1 month, it went to a 1000 level odd, and it has come down again. So it's a very good long-term script. It has made a good base, and it has given the base breakout from there. In a medium term, one can expect a 1000 again, and with a stop loss of 680. For the show, my target is 765 with a stop loss of 716. But in a medium term to long term, one can expect at least 1000 from this script. Aster is another long-term script. It is a very good buy. Yesterday it has made a low of 51, which is another double bottom on the chart. For the medium term, you can expect at least 70, and on the longer term, you can expect at least 90 on the for the 1 year, with a stop loss of 50. And for the show, my target is 59, and with a stop loss of 57. It's another very good long-term script, and it's in the buy from quite a long time.
okay, there you have it. That's a call coming in on two mid-cap names, Welspun as well as Aster, that you can look at for a slightly long-term view. Moving right on, Ashish, let's discuss Tech Mahindra. What did you make of the earnings, and what is the outlook on Lupin going forward? Does it emerge as one of the top picks in the pharma space?
Well, I think both IT